Imagine an SUV that accelerates like a sports car, rides like a luxury cruiser, and moves in total silence with pure electric power. That's what Porsche is building with the 2026 Porsche Cayenne EV, the first fully electric version of Porsche's best-selling SUV. And honestly, calling it just an electric Cayenne doesn't do it justice. This is a complete reinvention. The moment you see the Cayenne EV, it feels powerful without being aggressive. Porsche hasn't redesigned the SUV completely, but every curve, every surface, every line feels sharpened for the electric era. The front end is sleeker, more aerodynamic, and more sculpted than ever. The headlights look razor-sharp with Porsche's signature 4-point LED pattern, and the closed-off grille gives the SUV a futuristic, confident face. From the side, the proportions look exactly like a Cayenne should, sporty, muscular, and balanced. You can see the EV influence in the smooth doors, the flush handles, the clean bodywork, and the new aerodynamic wheels designed to cut through air more efficiently. Porsche has kept the silhouette unmistakably Cayenne, but with a fresh electric identity. At the rear, you get that continuous Porsche LED light bar stretching across the tailgate, now even slimmer and more futuristic. Everything feels tightly sculpted, athletic, and premium, the kind of design that ages beautifully instead of fading with trends.
Now, underneath that beautiful design is Porsche's new electric platform, the same next-generation architecture that will power several upcoming Porsche EVs. That means faster charging, better efficiency, and incredible performance. While Porsche hasn't officially confirmed numbers yet, expectations are already sky-high. We're likely looking at 500 kilometers or more of range, ultra-fast charging, and of course, multiple performance variants. And if Porsche follows its usual formula, there will be a base model, an S version, and maybe even a Turbo or Turbo S, which could push power beyond 600 horsepower. Imagine a family SUV that can outrun supercars in complete silence. That's the world we're stepping into. Inside the Cayenne EV, things get even more exciting. Porsche interiors are always a mix of technology and refined luxury, and this EV will continue that trend. Expect a clean, modern dashboard with multiple displays, including the curved driver screen and the optional passenger display introduced in the latest Porsche models. The materials will be top-tier: soft leather, sustainable trims, premium stitching, and metallic touches. But Porsche never goes over the top. Their cabins always feel sporty, focused, and beautifully engineered. You'll still get that driver-centered cockpit feel, everything angled toward you, everything set up to make driving the main experience.
The seats will be classic Porsche, supportive, sculpted, and comfortable for long trips. The panoramic roof will make the cabin feel wide and open, and thanks to the EV platform, the rear seats will have better legroom and more space than before, making the Cayenne EV even more practical for families. When it comes to technology, Porsche will equip the Cayenne EV with its most advanced features: next-gen infotainment with OTA updates, premium sound systems, advanced climate control, customizable drive settings, intelligent navigation that plans charging stops. Driver assistance will also get a major upgrade, bringing more safety features and possibly hands-free highway driving, depending on the market. But the real magic is how it drives. Electric torque means instant acceleration. The low battery placement means the SUV stays planted to the ground. Porsche's steering feel, always a benchmark, will make this EV feel sharp and precise, not dull like some electric SUVs. And with Porsche's active suspension tech, the Cayenne EV will switch from comfortable cruiser to dynamic corner king with just a tap. This EV isn't being built to compete with other electric SUVs. It's being built to compete with Porsche's own legacy. The Cayenne has always been the SUV that breaks expectations, and the electric version is going to push that reputation even further. Compared to the current Cayenne, the EV will likely be quicker, quieter, more efficient, and filled with next-generation tech. And compared to rivals like the Tesla Model X, Mercedes EQE SUV, and BMW iX, Porsche brings something the others can't: athletic DNA. The Cayenne EV isn't trying to be the fastest EV, it's trying to be the best driving EV. So as we get closer to 2026, anticipation is growing fast. Porsche fans know what's coming. EV fans know this will be special, and families looking for a luxury electric SUV might find this one impossible to ignore. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne EV represents a new chapter for Porsche. Powerful, silent, stylish, and engineered with the same passion that made the Cayenne a global icon. And when it finally arrives, it might become the most important Porsche of the decade.